If you're considering the Amazon Basics 24-inch Full HD, here's everything you need to know before making a decision. This monitor offers great value for its price point, boasting a 4.6-star rating from over 776 reviews. With a full HD resolution and AOC brand technology, it's perfect for webinars, meetings, digital work, entertainment, and more. The key features of this monitor are worth mentioning. The IPS panel technology delivers rich color production that can be viewed accurately from all angles. This is thanks to the in-plane switching design, which provides a wide viewing range without any color shifts or loss of detail. The input and output options include VGA, audio 3.5 jack in/out, HDMI 1.4, HDCP compliant, and DP, giving you plenty of connectivity choices. The stand on this monitor tilts from -5 degrees to 23 degrees, allowing for comfortable viewing angles. It's also VESA wall mount ready with a 100 by 100 mm hole pattern, making it easy to install in your office or home setup. The monitor comes with an adjustable stand, power cord, HDMI cable, and user manual. One of the standout features of this monitor is its energy efficiency. As an ENERGY STAR certified product, it meets stringent energy efficiency requirements to reduce power consumption. This not only helps save you money on electricity bills, but also contributes to a more sustainable future. Now, let's talk about design and build quality. The Amazon Basics 24-inch Full HD has a sleek and modern appearance that fits well in most home or office settings. However, some users may find the plastic construction slightly flimsy, especially when compared to monitors with higher-end materials. Moving on to display quality, this monitor delivers excellent visuals. The IPS panel technology ensures accurate color production and a wide viewing range, making it perfect for content creators, gamers, and anyone who wants an immersive viewing experience. However, some users have reported minor issues with brightness and contrast. In terms of performance and everyday use, the Amazon Basics 24-inch Full HD is more than capable. The monitor's response time is decent, and the input lag is relatively low. This makes it suitable for fast-paced games and video editing applications. Additionally, the monitor's connectivity options ensure seamless integration with your devices. One notable aspect of this monitor is its connectivity features. In addition to the HDMI port, you'll also find VGA, audio 3.5 jack in/out, and DP inputs. While some users may not need all these ports, it's great that Amazon has included them for those who require more flexibility. When evaluating main advantages and limitations, it's clear that this monitor excels in value for money. However, its plastic construction and minor display issues prevent it from being a top-tier choice. If you're on a tight budget or need a reliable monitor for basic use, the Amazon Basics 24-inch Full HD is definitely worth considering. In conclusion, the Amazon Basics 24-inch Full HD is a solid choice for those seeking an affordable and feature-rich monitor. While it may not be perfect, its strengths far outweigh its weaknesses. If you'd like to learn more, you'll find additional information in the description. Hopefully this helped you decide whether it's the right choice for your needs.